Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you a site where you can go get some cartoon images that I think you're really going to like. They've got some free ones and some paid ones. In fact, if you want something special, they can do that for you too. So let's go over and see where you can get these cartoons to use in your images, your videos, you name it, you can use them. Okay, so here we are on the website. Vector Toons. That's right, Vector Toons. Sounds pretty simple, huh? You do need an account to get any of the images, be it free or paid. I've already logged into my account. I've signed up, got the email, came back to show you around. I also have downloaded some of these that I'm using. So here we are on the home page, and they're cartoon clip art, and they say they have over 20,000. And as you can see, they boast quite a few different types of cartoons. And let me tell you, some of them are super cute. Some of them are kind of silly, and I'm sure if you have a unique idea for your video or your image, you can find it here. So before we get going too far, let's go over for terms of use. This is pretty basic. They do say you can use these on your videos, on your images, on t-shirts, on whatever you'd like. You can use them commercial or personal. What you cannot do is sell the image as a standalone or watermark it if it's a standalone. So you have to include it into your project to be able to use it. So right here it says you may not use our graphics for redistribution. You can't sell it or give them away, or relicensing, so to a third party. Most of us, we just want to use them for our own things or maybe a client video or image. So they've got the long version and the short version. So let's go look at what they do for free. Now, if you go to the free tab, okay, here are the free video or free images. And as you can see, they have a coupon which you'll use whenever you go to check out. But they have people, trees, doors, crazy people, some animals, and you're going to see these had been 40. But if you look here in the description, it says free in the tags, and you'll know those are free. They've got all kinds of cute little, like the pears, the water drops, desk chairs, you name it, these are all free. I'm sure most of us could figure out something to use these for, maybe a little series on something. Oh, look, they even have cats. What would the internet be without cats? So you can look at the free ones, and then if you decide you want one, you'll simply click on it. And here is the description. You can see the box, and there's a little video on each talking about them. Now, if you would like this, you simply add to cart. Now, once you have it added to your cart, you're going to see your cart right here, and you can view it. Okay, here we are on my cart, and as you can see, it's $40, but you can apply a coupon if you have a different one. If you want, it's one of the free ones, and they have the coupon right here. You have to have an account, and it has to be enabled to be able to use this coupon, or you're going to get a message saying you don't get to use this coupon. So if you're having problems, log out, maybe clear your cache, come back, log in, try again. Simply click the coupon, and as you can see, my $40 was removed, and then you proceed to checkout. Once you proceed to checkout, it's going to you have to fill in your name, your email address, no credit card, no PayPal information, nothing like that for the free ones. You're going to go over, hit the checkout. Right then and there, you can either download them from the checkout page when it's finished, or you get an email. When you get your email, you're going to have options to download them. Now I'll show you my Vector Toons folder. Here it is. I downloaded the selfie lady, Alicia. And you're going to get a choice of 3 files or all three, and you get the PDF, the clear PNGs, and the Photoshop. So you can have a variety of ways to use these images depending on what you need them for. And my big suggestion with any photo site, video site, audio site, whatever type of site you're downloading any of that from, be it paid or free, you make a special folder that is named that. So if a copyright issue comes up, or you need to know where you got that image or the music or the background video, you have everything right in a folder and can find them. Because when you go to fight a copyright claim and you don't know where you got that image from or that music, it's much easier if you have it in a folder, can find it, and then back yourself up, because you can then go to the site and say, hey, this is where I got them, whether it's paid or free. So this is Vector Toons, and really you can go up here to the popular characters, background searches. If you decide you want maybe a cartoon of you or your pet or something special, your logo, you can go to the custom, and they have different ways you can order them. As you can see, you can get a mascot for your company, your pictures of your families, your pets, and these are all custom orders and will be done, I'm guessing, from a picture. And of course, there's always the deals page, and they have some great deals. A lot of things are only $10, and you're getting 9 specialty images that lots of people aren't gonna be using, and so you can get something unique that might stand out a little bit more. So always look at the deals page, because for $10, if they've got 9 images you can use over and over for different things, you're good to go. So there you go. Go check out Vector Toons. I've got the link below, and let's see what you can come up with for cool new things.